Camalot Inside combines proven Camalot dispensing technology with MPM printers in one flexible platform. With dual dispensers, you can add both epoxy and solder paste on mixed technology board. An onboard calibration station ensures fast and repeatable setup and changeover, maximizing production line flexibility and productivity. Laser height measurement can be provided at every location for consistent performance. Camalot's unique auger RPM regulation ensures optimum dispense speeds on a dot-by-dot basis. Camalot Inside can be used for dispensing at multiple heights or dispensing in a cavity. Camalot Inside can dispense material at variable dot sizes and is capable of dispensing for 0402 components with the right needle size and materials. This option is mounted to the front edge of an enhanced wiper gantry in the printer. This wiper has a self-contained independent drive system to increase the speed of both the dispenser and the wiper itself. For more information, visit us at itweae.com.